Hi everyone, here is the before and after party makeup look which I did on my Instagram account, and everybody asked me if I can do a tutorial for it. So here we go, and there's a giveaway in the end, so don't forget to participate. And let's begin with a moisturizer. I'm going to moisturize my face with this Aveeno Baby Moisturizer. It acts as a primer as well. And then I'm going to head towards the eye makeup and apply eye primer. I like to apply eye primer first so that the moisturizer which I have applied before gets absorbed into my skin and the foundation gets easily done and it looks smooth. So after the eye primer, I am going to do my brows. For that I am using Colorbar Brow, the new pencil, and this one is really creamy, so you need to be really careful when you're doing it in summer. In winter it was a little easy to use this, but it's kind of melting in summer. Now after the brows, I am going to use this beautiful eyeshadow which I have included in my giveaway as well, which is the CoverGirl True Naked Palette Golden, and I'm going to take this bronzy shade and cover my half eyelid with it and take it little above the eyelid as well. Now with the fluffier brush, I am going to take this darker shade from the eyeshadow palette, the same palette, and apply the shade on the 2/3 of my crease as shown, and my focus will be on the crease area, the darker shade, and keep blending, keep going upward and downward like so till you get the desired result. Now I'm taking this skin color shade from the same palette and I'm going to blend both these shades out and get away with all the harsh lines. To highlight my brow bone, I'm using this shimmery shade from the palette again and using my finger to blend that shade on the brow bone area, which gives an even look to it and kind of just even out my whole look. I'm using this Colorbar eyeshadow stick. These are the new one called as Ornament 005, and applying this on my lower lash line, which will help me in keeping the lower lash line color intact and it will bring out the best of the color. Now from the same palette, I'm using this darker corner shade and applying it on the lower lash line above the eyeshadow stick shade which I applied just right before in front of you. Now let's do something interesting to pop out the whole look. I'm going to apply this eyeshadow again. The shade is Moss 004, which is a beautiful blue shade, and I'm going to apply this and then blend it out with a flat eyeshadow brush. Time to apply the falsies, and whatever glue is visible, I'm going to cover it again with the blue eyeshadow stick from Colorbar. I also filled my waterline with the black eyeliner, and that is it. My look eye makeup is complete, and let's move to it's time to apply the foundation, and for this I'm using my favorite MAC Studio Fix foundation, which I use it in winters and summer as well. And I'm using my beauty blender to apply this foundation all over my face. For this look, I'm not using any concealer and straight away going to the baking. And to know how to bake, I am going to link that video in the right hand side, or I'm going to put it in the description box so that you can check out that video. It's time to apply blush. I'm going to apply the blush on the center of the apple of my cheeks, and all the detail of the blush is in the description box, so don't forget to check out, and the review is in my blog as well, so everything is in detail so that you don't miss out anything. As it's summer now, I'm going to use this MAC bronzing powder rather than the Kryolan sticks which I used to use before for bronzing, and I'm going to just lightly dust the bronzer because I'm already tanned, quite tanned right now. And I'm going to contour my nose as well and little bit of forehead. Now with the help of a fluffy brush, I'm going to use this highlighter and apply on the cheekbones and little bit on my nose. And it's time to line my lips. I'm using this Revlon lip liner red. You can use any lip liner. You do not have to follow all the products mentioned here. You can use any product of your choice with the same shade and color. And for lipstick, I'm using this YSL Glossy Stain 9, and this is a very beautiful shade, especially for dusky and medium skin tone girls. To make my lips appear neater, I'm going to apply this concealer all around my lips and then blend it out with the beauty blender. This is the Real Technique beauty blender, and I have added this in the giveaway as well. Let's come to the hair. I'm not going to do a lot for my hair as I was short on time. So what I did is I picked up random section of my hair starting from the back and curled my hair with my big curling rod. I'm going to mention the exact name of the rod in the description box, and that's it, and we are done. So hope you like the video, and it's the giveaway time. And first of all, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. This is my first giveaway, so I wanted it to be special. So all the products which I liked, I have included in my giveaway. So let's check out what all things which I am going to add in the giveaway. There will be two winners of this giveaway. So the first winner is going to get a Real Technique Miracles Cup. Get this. Then there is this Lakme Lip Love Tinted Lip Balm. This is in crepe taste, and there is Milani Eye Tech Perfection eyeliner. I have this kind in the Lotus and Sephora, and I like these kind of eyeliners, so I thought let me add in the giveaway as well. And then there is this CoverGirl True Naked Golden Eyeshadow Palette which I use in this video. There is this nail paint from Rimmel, and there is Revlon Lash Potion mascara. I have used this mascara in a lot of my videos. If you have been following me in my channel, then you must be seeing that this has been used a lot of time. And then there is this skincare solution benefit cream. Its potential. This is kind of a sample which is there. So all these products will be won by the person who wins this giveaway. Let's see what will be won by the second winner of this giveaway. There will be this pouch which I got from a monthly bag, so I thought of adding this pouch in this giveaway. And there is this Chambord blush. This is also a very beautiful blush. I don't want to open this because powder blushes tend to get ruined easily. Then there is this Lakme Lip Love Lip Balm again. This is in Coca. And there is this Sally Hansen Big Matte Top Coat. Here it is. And then there is this lip liner. This is from Starlooks. And there is this Mirabella. What is this? Mirabella lip pencil. And then there is this Clarins sample which I thought of adding because I also like to get these cute little things. And then there is this Bombshell lip gloss. So lot of stuff which you can win if you participate in this giveaway. There is also this lip butter from City Color, and that's it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So the terms and condition of this giveaway are, you have to be subscriber of my channel, you have to comment below and let me know what kind of videos you like to see, you like to watch here, and you have to follow me on Insta, and you have to share this video and share that link in the comment section so that I can check it. Alright, so all these things have to be done. I'm going to mention all these things in the description box as well. This giveaway will be open for, yes baby, Abhi, give me a minute. So where were we? Yeah, so I will write down everything in the description box as well so that you don't miss anything, and this giveaway will close on 1st June, so you have a month to participate. Let's hope the person who is obsessed with makeup and who will do justice to these products should win, and I will see you again with more videos. Till then,